Hey, good day. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. Today, I just want to do a really quick review of these products called Quick Add. Right, Quick Add is something to do with quick template. There's a bunch of template. I think 400 plus template, right? And have been actually you can actually edit or open this template in this PowerPoint. There is no app involved. Really simple. It's with the PowerPoint. You can open this and you can actually edit this template to actually to fit into the different marketing niche, right? And I think there are over 20 niche here from all these 400 plus I think it's 440 done for you high quality e-commerce promotion ad template for Google, Facebook. So all this ad template is being used in the Google's app, Facebook, Instagram app and more, right? So this is if you have to actually buy each of these template, it may cost you 100. So this kind of it's a really cool eye-catching templates. This is no normal one. Okay, so that means there's no, so what is the benefit of all this? There's no additional plugin required. Okay, fully edited in PowerPoint. You can export to any format you want. Save as export to JPEG, PNG, PDF or JPEG, MP4 and more format, right? You can after you export, you can use it in the different way you want, right? You can upload it as a video also. So basically there are 3 steps here on this. Step 1, choose, and also step 2, customize, and step 3, just produce, right? So you don't have to be a video editing master, and you don't have to use already price these software to do this. All this can be actually been done easily with this PowerPoint, right? I think most of us have a PowerPoint installed, right? So this is a 10 minutes flat job, right? You don't have to pay high cost to the designer to come out of this, right? Okay. So this is basically how it did, right? Okay. So high quality design always increase sales, right? Okay, so the design is a key here. We need to have a high quality design here to increase the sales, right? Okay, most people struggle to create high quality e-commerce promotion ad or design content that's actually convert. Okay, right? Okay, so there's no more fee charged by professional. You have to pay high fee to the professional designer. No more waiting for weeks to get your app design done. Okay, everything is right. So this is a complete app creator toolkit, right? Okay, this is a toolkit, right? It's all in one toolkit, right? All right. So what make Quick app different from others? So it's a multi-purpose and easy to use. So this is some of the template, the 20 module of the most eye-catching, profitable 2021 design here, right? And this is a Google App animated template, social media, right? App animated template, also static marketing pack, right? Okay. So there are quite a number of modules. One is animated Google Ad design template available in a 5 high converting site, right? Okay, so this is the first module, Google App. This is the more for the Google App. Mobile app travel, different niche here, right? And digital marketing, fashion, winter sales, e-commerce, food, and also real estate. These are different niche here you can use. And you make use of this as a promotional contents. Okay, for the niche, right? It can have cooking, herbal, and bakery, also stay at home, things like different business needs, right, and marketing needs. And second module is animated social media and design template. Okay, so you can see this is a more of the social media. It's really cool design, right? And furthermore, you will have social media app niche, and also module 3 is a static cover design template. All this is for the static need, right? Okay, right. So this is basically how it works. So this is all this the package have 460 plus. So let me also quickly show you what exactly how it's being, how to actually get use of this thing. There's a demo video here. I can quickly show you how exactly it is to be done. Okay, let me also play this one. Okay, so let's have a look here. Actually, there are only 3 steps involved. So the step 1 is basically choose your file. This means once you bought this, you have a lot of template in the different folder structure, right? So you just open it with the PowerPoint, right? And you can actually change the picture, the character inside there. Okay, right. So step 2, customize. You just choose a template and customize. You can have a customize using different picture based on the niche, right? Example, this is talking about burgers, right? Okay, right. Okay, so this is exactly how you can actually customize, and this is an animated template. This is not a normal template. It's really eye-catching, and it can actually help you to convert to the sales based on whichever niche you are promoting, right? Okay, so this is how cool is that, right? You can see you can export this to the PDF and before. Okay, so here is you will get inside the app, so you can see. Okay, right. So this is one of the, it's all animated template. Okay, right. This is from fashion, and also that is exactly this is what the bundle is all about, right? Okay, so this can be depend on what kind of business you're in, right? This can be social media promotions, yeah, it can be also covered, right? And it can also for the contents marketing, right? Okay, and also and many more, right? This is an instance most really simple, it's very easily you don't have to think cracking your head how to come out of this beautiful template and can convert to sales, right? This is a complete app created toolkit, right? Let me quickly take you to this my reviews page of this. Yeah, this is very cool. There's no app to click here, click there, right? They don't do this, right? All this is come to a collection of template. You can open it with the PowerPoint, and they can the front end have 440 done for you high quality e-commerce. Okay, this is more for the e-commerce, right? Okay, profitable fresh new to the e-com design, no additional plugin, can export to SO. And so this I have a look into this quick app, right? Okay, this is going to be launched tonight, 10 a.m. EXT today, right? Okay, so this is a collection of total 440 done for you high quality e-commerce, right? It's here to help you create unique design for e-commerce promotional app. This is more for the app that you can Facebook app or Google app, that that's what they go, right? Having said that, you may also make use of this for your own promotion offline. You can actually make use of the this is really eye-catching, right? It's going to convert. I also play this quick ad. It's very simple. Once you purchase this, you're going to get a zip file or something, and you can just unzip it into the once unzip it, you actually go into a different folder based on this, right? And so it's already segregated, separated very clearly. So this is a front end. Have a quick look. 440 line for your high quality e-commerce. Google App animated, it's animated. Okay, social media static marketing pack, right? Okay. So all this is a part of this one, right? And then the detail I have shown you in the sales page just now, right? Yeah, this is a brand new hot template designed to get you profit fast, right? Starting today, you can easily create attention grabbing content targeted, then we increase quick sales and profit, right? So this the promotional template marketing template like this is very important to get you sales and profit, right? So if you don't have a professional design template, it's very hard to you have to convert to any sales, right? So it's animated static PowerPoint template mixtures of the two, animated and static, right, for the different niche. Please type as I told you. Now anyone can create high converting animated in just 10 minute flat. Okay, the benefit is save time, boost conversion, save money, and is effective. Okay, elective can convert information to potential, right? It's important to create a high quality graphic. This is all high quality graphic design. That's why you are, right? So if you want to get this, if you just did have a look at the fiber, you want to get people to design this kind of template, you know how much it will cost, right? Let me actually show to you exactly what is a rough idea of this. First thing first, let's say have marketing template. Maybe we just tap. Okay. So you can see this is a design email marketing template, a marketing plan template, and SME recipe. Okay, you can see also people are charging template like $50-40, right? Okay, let's say if I take more specific Facebook app template, for example. Okay, so we design cool post a canvas template. You can just take a look at this. So $10, $20, all this just one for this one's 5 posts, right? I think this is count by, and this is giving you 440 for just a one-time cost only of I think less than $20, right? So all this you can see the people charging you. Okay, social media graphic. Okay, this is 65, right? Design social carousel post cover. Okay, so all this you can see editable post and banner cover, right? Okay, so people is charging from template and people providing services. So this is for how it must be cost, right? So people it can go up to the $100, like it's just a starting only. I believe there are more to come. You can see standard 200, 300. So this kind I will be a social media post designer. This is a designer, okay. Cover business code, okay. Facebook app, you see. So this is for only one modern post, right? One only is for 5 posts, right? Okay, so this will have some idea here. So I can say that I prepare a bunch of the bonuses also for you. You pick up this quick ad via my link below this video. You're going to get first in first. I'm also give you my personal exclusive ultimate marketing kit, right? So what's inside this marketing kit? You can actually take a list. It's in fact one of my product I'm selling currently, and I'm giving you this for free. You are going to get this, right? Sales based, landing based, or all this upsell. So what you need to do, this is a template, a content template. Maybe some example like you want to write a social post about something or certain things, or you want to prepare a Facebook app to actually to create an app in the Facebook, but you don't know how to write the content. Right? This you can actually make use of my template. Just fill up some blank. You're able. All these professional design written template. I can launch email, promote template, upsell page, landing page, sales page. Also, how to write a sales page then convert. How to write a catchy landing page. Okay. So all this you can actually derived from this automate marketing kit, right? Next one is 3.6 million PLR article. Again, this is articles. If you are creating a blog for the different media, hundred of niches inside the 3.6 million PLR article, you can actually make use of this article to post to your blog, or you can actually sell the article and make money from Fiverr. Also, there are people selling, earn a lot of money by selling a PLR article in the Fiverr. If not believe, you can take a look at the Fiverr itself. Okay, so these are the two key, really key bonuses you'll be getting if you pick up this from me today. And also, I will Final Kit. Final Kit is a cloud app how to actually create a funnel to promote any product. Landing page, sales page can be done using this funnel kit. VidSpark is a video creation app for more traffic, lead and sale. BotEngage a trouble creation app for more lead and sale also. And also OutReachr is a wallet traffic cloud app, right? Step I show all this app, you can use it not just for the make money online, and all this is a transparent to the niches, right? You can actually use this for any niche of business you are in, like healthcare, anything. You can make use of this funnel kit to design your funnel to promote any health product or anything. So VidSpark, any kind of video can be created. So all this is a really high quality so-called cloud app I'm providing to you, right? Snap I Shop also is one of these store builder. You can have upload your affiliate and build your store from this using this one. Last but not least, there are some 200 special bonus giveaway under this here. You'll be getting also all these bonuses, right? All this is really huge bonuses I'm giving to you here in your Stripe file. And no matter what business you are in, you need to actually set communicate with your seller, buyer, and also send email, also marketing email training course. Some premium traffic software also here being get the capital. All this you can use on the different marketing niche. Right? Also some training course about how to actually make more sales, get more data, right? All this is previous product for some of the very famous internet marketer like Jono and Billionaires. You also part of this, right? Okay, so all this is one of the bundle here, right? So for the price of okay. I think the price here is only $17. You can see the final is $17, right? And you can have platinums. They have 660 more than for your high quality e-commerce, right? Okay. This is platinum quality die and also bundle one bundle. Okay, so all this you can for the $17 as a starting, right? You can actually get all this under this list and also together with all my bonuses here, right? So just for $17 you're getting all this for one-time cost only, right? So just click the link below the video if you are looking for some app template to actually which high converting get you sales and lead, right? Then you should actually go for this, right? Okay, right. So click the link below this video and you can come to these pages, and inside that page just click the orange button and you're going to purchase this quick app together with my bonuses listed here, right? Okay, thank you. That's all for my presentation today. I hope you enjoyed that and have a nice day and always be safe. Right? Thanks.